Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. As the holidays creep up on us, it's the perfect time to gather around the table with your family and friends and show off those special occasion appetizers or side dishes made on your Blackstone. This is my bacon wrapped carrots, and these are my absolute favorite special occasion appetizer or side dish that is perfect for any holiday over the winter season. I cannot wait to show you guys this one so that you guys can make it at home and spoil your family and friends. So let's jump right into it. Although I am always feeding a crowd of friends and family, when it comes to the holidays, I like to make things a little extra special. These bacon wrapped carrots are something I save, which I shouldn't because I should make them all year round, but these are always a side dish for our Thanksgiving table, and they disappear so quick, and they couldn't be any easier. So I hope you guys try these as an appetizer or side dish this Thanksgiving or Christmas or any holiday that you are celebrating. These start off with bacon, and who doesn't love anything wrapped in bacon? I have some thin sliced bacon. Thin is the way you want to go when wrapping anything from scallops to shrimp to asparagus. And for these, a must is the gourmet carrots sold at BJ's. They're perfectly cut, already so gorgeous as is with that little stem of green. We're just going to take a few of these out and begin to simply wrap the carrots, starting at one end and working your way down to the opposite end. Just wrap these carrots nice and tight. Once we have all of our carrots beautifully wrapped, which you can do this the night before to save you some time, we're gonna season these up with the Blackstone sweet maple seasoning and some pure maple syrup. We'll give each wrapped carrot a nice hefty seasoning. Then we're going to gently brush on some pure maple syrup. These are looking gorgeous and ready to stick into our preheated air fryer. I have our Blackstone air fryers set to medium heat and lined with some pre-cut parchment paper from Blackstone. We'll place our carrots in, checking them every 3 to 4 minutes. Now, as soon as you can easily stick a toothpick or a sharp knife through the carrot, it's nice and soft. Our bacon is cooked to your liking, which should take about 10 minutes total for these perfect size carrots from BJ's. If you're working with carrots that are a little bit larger or you can't find these specific carrots, you can simply trim down your carrots to a smaller size. My bacon looks perfectly cooked, nice and crisp, and I can get a toothpick straight through that carrot. It's nice and soft inside, a little charred on the tips. We'll plate these carrots up and zhuzh them up with a little bit of dried parsley flakes. You could add a little bit of coarse sea salt if you'd like to give it a little sweet and salty touch. And then you'll see these carrots instantly disappear. These are going to be your favorite appetizer or side dish come the holidays, and I cannot wait to see you guys making these. Be sure to take a picture when you do. I can't wait to see your family and friends enjoying them. When you do, tag Blackstone products and tag Blackstone Betty. From my back porch to your family table, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season and enjoy all of the amazing food that you can cook on your Blackstone for your family. Before I jump off, don't forget to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel and click the subscribe button and that bell, and share these videos with your family and friends and invite them to our humongous virtual dinner party table that is the Griddle Nation. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.